So why are resellers hesitant to pursue the healthcare opportunities? My belief is a lot of VARs don't like being in hospitals. To go into a hospital and roam the hallways, to look for new applications, even if you have a particular product or solution that is in demand, that is being used, that you want to propagate within different departments, it is tough walking through the hospitals because you're not going to just go up to a purchasing department or an ID department. You're going into the applications, you're going into the anesthesia, you may be going into areas that are pretty uncomfortable for a lot of people. So the first thing you have to get used to, if you want to sell into the healthcare environment, get used to the fact that you'll be roaming throughout the entire hospital, with the exception of probably an OR. But if I've been in ORs and sitting next to a patient where we're administering a new labeling system for anesthesia. And you better have your wits about you when you're standing next to an operation. So my belief is that there's a certain discomfort that people have. So if you're prone to faint, you can't deal with sick people or dying people, you know, it's a tough market. This is not like walking through a warehouse or a retail operation. It's an environment you're not familiar with. Healthcare is a microcosm of our industry. They have a lot of the same applications for material handling, for warehouse control, for point of sale, you know, shipping, receiving, you know, it's very similar. Healthcare is work in process. A patient comes in and you're adding value to that patient, hopefully where the person is safely discharged. All right? So there are similarities, but there's some differences there. There are many remote and local gatekeepers. The person you're dealing with may not have all the control of adopting that product. That may be done by some of the larger healthcare software companies like a Cerner, like a Meditech, like a GE or McKesson. They're the ones that set the standard of what's being used, then it's deployed, and quite frankly, for the most part, they just let the hospitals buy where they want. But normally it's a product they've validated, as we talked about before. The local users may have very little control over what's implemented. You'll find some real good pioneers that know that if they add a particular device into their system, it will not disrupt or corrupt the entire system. Those are few and far between, but they are there. And as a comment, within healthcare, they will promote, they will advertise, they look for the recognition. It's all about patient safety. This is not like a Walmart not talking to a Target or a Home Depot not sharing information with a Lowe's. By and large, healthcare, once they have a good solution, they will publicize it. They will broadcast it throughout the area as an increased means of attending to better patient care.